All right, guys, so let's talk about probably the most valuable funnel that somebody can possibly make. And again, this is the funnel that I share with you guys completely for free. And we've charged, upwards of $20,000 to implement pretty much exactly what is in this funnel, obviously a little bit more in depth, but you guys are getting it for free. And so let's talk about what exactly an evergreen webinar is. And so we can see that the time 7:07, almost 7:08, right? Next webinar starts at 7:10. So it always starts 10 minutes from when the person comes, right? It's on a 10-minute schedule. So if they came at 7:12, it would say 8 minutes left. If they came at 7:23, it would say 7 minutes left, right? And so when you're running live webinars every single day or multiple times a day, you can't run a live webinar every second of every day. And so what an evergreen webinar allows you to do is always kind of give a webinar as if present a webinar replay no matter when anybody comes to the webinar, so they can always join the training. And so what this webinar is going to do for you guys is you can jump in just like we've talked about before. You can edit anything on the page, right? All of the coding is done for you guys. So all you have to do is just change the text, what it says in the text. Change obviously the images, the secrets, and the testimonials if you want to add that as well to your webinar. And then obviously you change things on the webinar confirmation page to be more kind of a fitting to your particular audience. If you want to drive people to your Facebook page or things like that. And you guys can see really behind the scenes of the webinars that I actually really use in my real business that generate millions and millions of dollars every single year. And so obviously, again, you would want to change the live webinar to be your video. And so if you come in here, you'll see my video right here. And you can just add your Vimeo link or YouTube link or whatever you want to add here. And this will all be kind of synced to my own stuff. But you do want to add your own testimonials and links to your order pages and things like that. But this particular funnel, is the kind of culmination of over a year of effort and split testing and things like that. And so it's incredibly, incredibly valuable for you guys. And it's all set up for you with the coding, the automated 10-minute countdown, which redirects them to the next page and redirects them from the confirmation page to the live webinar page when it's actually time to present the webinar. So this is an evergreen webinar funnel that is, we've charged $20,000+ for, that you guys are getting completely for free. So, give it to your friends. Tell your friends about it. I just appreciate you guys, and I really appreciate ClickFunnels. And so, this is the last kind of educational video that we're going to do in this course. I've given you literally as much as I possibly can for ClickFunnels, but I'm always open to hearing your suggestions, guys. So, make posts in the ClickFunnels, the CF Ninjas group, and, ask about things that you're curious about. Start helping each other, right? Pay it forward. And I hope that you guys can be as successful as ClickFunnels has luckily allowed me to be, through a lot of hard work. You can make anything happen, and ClickFunnels is a beautiful way to automate a lot of that process for you, no matter what your niche is, right? ClickFunnels has enabled people to teach how to jump. I've heard of people making millions of dollars teaching how to do handstands using ClickFunnels, right? So go niche, find your audience, make it valuable, give away a lot of stuff for free so that people, come into your ecosystem, and it's all going to work out great for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be active in the CF Ninjas group. And, if you want to reach out to me on Facebook, facebook.com/officialkevindavid, Instagram. Again, I'm Official Kevin David, or the podcast, Ninja Podcast with Kevin David, or of course my main platform on YouTube where you can search, you guessed it, Kevin David, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the flip.